Take a ride in the 2015 Cadillac SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is too long to list. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.